Hello everyone, if you're watching this video, it means that you want to make money online for free and you want to know how to start with GDLC or Guaranteed Downline Club. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Al Hassan. I'm a member in GDLC since July 2021 and I make more than $5 per day every day for free. And if you watch this video till the end, I'll share with you my secret how to promote your GDLC referral link and how to get 10 signups per day for free every day. So what is GDLC and how it works to make money using it? GDLC is a free-to-join platform which helps you grow your email list. It's an online marketing platform, simple as that. Two simple steps to start with it. Step number one is to sign up. It's 100% free to join. Step number two is to complete your profile and get your referral link and start sharing it with everyone to start making money, and I'll show you exactly how to do it at the end of this video. Now with GDLC you get $5 free to your account after you join. Then it's going to be a referral job. It means you will need to invite people to join GDLC using your referral link. For every person who joins through your referral link, you earn 50 cents. So if you invite 10 people per day, it's $5 per day. If you invite 20 people per day, it's $10 per day, and like this for unlimited times every day for free. Now let's talk about the minimum payout. There are two types of accounts. Free account has a minimum payout of $50. It means when your earnings reach $50, you can request a withdrawal to your PayPal or Wise account. And there's the paid account or MPI, money plug in, which I personally have this type of account and you can buy it later if you want, and it's one-time payment of $20. For this type of account, the minimum payout is $25. It means that when your earnings reach $25, you can request a payment. Now, if you find referring people to join this program is a difficult job, which is not. But if you're ready to start working this easy and fun job, which is referring people to join GDLC and then earn unlimited 50 cents for every person, then you can start now. The link is down this video. Join today and I'll show you how to create your landing page and how to promote it on Facebook and get 10 signups for free every day, just like I'm doing. Now if you want to see payment proof and confirm that GDLC is legit and it's not a scam and it really pays people who reach the minimum payout, just look under this video. There is a link to a video with the payment proof, and there's a lot of people making money with GDLC. You can search Google and suit yourself with the results. You can even type GDLC in YouTube and see thousands of people who are making money from GDLC. We have arrived at the end of this video, and as promised, here is the video of how to get 10 signups for free every day from Facebook. I guess there's a link at the left side of this video. Click on it and watch it now. I will leave a link to this video in the description box down this video also in case you have missed it. And I hope you will apply everything I have explained in this video in order to start getting tens of signups every day and $5 per day. So if you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and leave a comment, and I read every single one of them and reply to each one. And see you in the next video.